Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about your two lungs. So you have a left lung which is located on the left side of your chest. You have a right lung which is located on the right side of your chest. So your right lung has only 3 lobes and your left lung has only 2 lobes. I could tell you why their left lung has only 2 lobes is only because the heart took all the space for the left lung, so that's why the left lung has only 2 lobes. But if the heart wasn't on the left side, not even on the right side, just on the middle, then the left lung will have 3 lobes just like the right lung. But some people, their heart is on the right lung. Pretty creepy. So your right lung, the upper lobe is called superior lobe. The lower lobe is called middle lobe, and the one on bottom is called inferior lobe. And the left lung is actually the same, but just don't add middle lobe. So your lung exchanges 2 different gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So when you breathe oxygen, air, O2, good air, and when you breathe it, it goes in your nose. Everyone knows it goes in your nose, goes in your nose. And when they know it goes in your nose, they see the oxygen is actually going in this hole. But some people don't know what that hole is called. They just think it's called hole. It's not actually called hole. It's called nail. When it goes in your nail, it goes to this bone called nasal bone. Nasal means. Wait, what does nasal bone mean? I don't know. What does it mean? No. Yeah, nasal bone. Nasal means nose. Then there's a hole in the nasal bone, which is not bad, but if you didn't have it, that's pretty bad and weird. So that hole is called nasal cavity. Cavity means in human body holes. Your ear is a cavity. Your stomach is a cavity. It's because I'm saying this because you have holes in your body. You know that. When it goes in your nasal cavity, the oxygen will go here. But don't see it. It doesn't go in your ear. It just goes here. When it reaches over here, it's called nasopharynx. Really? It's called nasopharynx? Really, it's called nasopharynx. I'm going to say another word, and it's going to start with la. Then it will go over here, which is not that long tube, which is just over here, which is called larynx. I told you I didn't say something that starts with L. It's called larynx. It actually sounds the same like pharynx, but I just add an L. But that fairy goes just all the way over here, which is not that far, that long. And it reaches over here. It's called trachea. Trachea. When it goes into trachea, I have to say, by the way, something. The esophagus and the trachea, they're friends. They're friends. And the esophagus is actually behind the trachea because they're the same size. I mean, not there. Yeah, here, when the tracheas are actually pretty long, it will Okay, pronounce here, and then it goes here. The trachea was split into two parts. That's called bronchi. BRANCHI. But to pronounce it, BRANKI. Bronchi. Then when it's in the oxygen is on the bronchi, there's gonna be a bronchi wall. When I hear bronchi wall, I just think of a wall. It's like a wall, but it's not a wall. When it's in the bronchi wall, for the right lung, it's actually 3 bronchi wall. For the left lung, it's only 2 bronchi wall. Then the oxygen will go inside that bronchi wall. Then it will not go that far inside the lung. Then it will go somewhere which is called alveoli. I think this is how you spell alveoli. I don't know. When it goes in your alveoli, this is where they exchange gases. The blood is in the lung, the oxygen is in the lung. So, we need to get ready with the exchanging. So, the blood has carbon dioxide. The lung has oxygen. To the lung. Yeah, carbon dioxide goes into the lung. Oxygen goes in the blood. Then blood goes inside the left atrium. Then the left ventricle. Then the ventricle will pump it around your body. That's when they do exchange gases. Then the carbon dioxide in the lung will go to the bronchi wall, to the alveoli, to the bronchi wall, to the bronchi, to the trachea, to the larynx, and to the nasal pharynx, to the nasal bone, into that hole which is called nasal cavity.